The Best in Casual Attire Award recognizes those candidates who effortlessly brought confidence and charisma to the stage while dressed in their most relaxed yet stylish ensembles. And the Best in Casual Attire Award goes to Number 6. From the Manila and a gift back from Taiwan. Congratulations.